Ramya. So in today's session, I am going to teach you how to write the electron dot structure for certain compounds which are asked in your textbook. So now the question is, what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide which has a formula CO2? You already know that some of the steps which we have to follow to write the electron dot structure. Correct? So now let us use those steps to write the electron dot structure for carbon dioxide. Okay, then let's begin. So now before writing the electron dot structure, we have to follow certain steps. Correct? So firstly what we have to do is we have to write the atomic number of carbon. What will be the atomic number of carbon? The atomic number of carbon will be 6. Correct? So the atomic number of carbon is 6. And what is its electronic configuration? Its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Atomic number is 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. By looking at the electronic configuration, we can find how many number of valence electrons are present on the carbon. Correct? So if we look at the last shell, we will conclude how many electrons are present on the valence shell. Here the carbon is having 4 valence electrons. Clear? Now let us look at for oxygen. So if we look at oxygen, oxygen's atomic number is 8 and followed by its electronic configuration is 2, 6. Correct? What is the number of valence electrons present on the oxygen? It is absolutely correct. It is 6. Right? Now by understanding the valence electrons present on the particular atom, now let us move towards how to write electronic dot structure. So now let us start as we have the formula of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Correct? So now there is one atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. So now let us write in this manner. I just write once again. So it is 1 atom of carbon as well as 2 atoms of oxygen I have written. So next what we have to follow, we have to write the number of valence electron. What is the number of valence electrons for carbon? It is 4. Correct? So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4 for the carbon. Then what about oxygen? It is having 6 valence electrons, right? So I will write in this manner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here another oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have completed writing the valence electrons on the particular atom. Now what we have to look for? The next thing is we have to look for an atom that each atom should obtain the noble gas configuration. How do they obtain then? Correct. You already know, right? The carbon share the electrons with the oxygen and oxygen also share the electrons with the carbon. They form the covalent bond. By forming the covalent bond, these atoms, they will share the electrons. Correct? So now, if you look at oxygen, oxygen is having 6 valence electron, correct? And it will share 2 electrons with the carbon. Now, oxygen shared 2 electrons with the carbon. Already it was having 6 and it shared 2. Totally how many now? They have become 8. Totally now it is 8. Correct? So now what about this oxygen? It is also having 6 and it also take 2 electrons. It is shared 2 electrons with the carbon. Now it also got 8. What about carbon? Carbon was already having 4. 2 electrons it shared from this oxygen and 2 from this oxygen. Now carbon also got 8 valence electron. So now all the 3 atoms present in this molecule, that is carbon dioxide molecule, that is oxygen and carbon and another oxygen atom, all the 3 atoms, they obtain the noble gas configuration. They have a feeling that they have 8 electrons on the surface of their orbit. That feelings gives them to obtain the noble gas configuration. So this is how we write the electron dot structure for the carbon dioxide. Once again, let us quickly revise. So first thing what we have did was, so we have to know their atomic number. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2, 4. What about oxygen? Oxygen's atomic number is 8 and its electronic configuration is 2, 6. After writing the electronic configuration, what we have to do? We have to look at the number of valence electrons on their orbit. By knowing the electrons, valence electrons, we have to write so many electrons on their surface. Correct? So the next thing what we have did was, we have to now look for which we have to write the electron dot structure. We are going to write for carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide, what does it have? It have one atom of carbon as well as two atoms of oxygen. Correct? So that is what I have written here. One carbon and two oxygen. After writing this, I have written the valence electrons on their surface. It is having, carbon is having 4 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen is having 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, this oxygen is also having 6. Correct. After writing their valence electron, make sure that they have to get a noble gas configuration. They have to receive 8 electrons on their orbit. Correct. How do they receive? By sharing the electrons they receive. Correct. Now carbon share 2 electrons with the oxygen. Similarly, here also carbon is sharing the 2 electrons with oxygen. Now all the 3 atoms, they have 8 electrons on their surface. So now they have a feeling that they have achieved the noble gas configuration. Clear? So this is how we write the electron dot structure for carbon dioxide. If you feel this video is useful and if you understood this concept well, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.